Welcome back everybody to my channel. So today I have here the famous grid system that I'm going to be creating a somewhat introductory video to this type of system that has been around for many years. So before I get started in the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Do turn on your post notifications so that you are notified when I do post new videos here. So here I have a 6-inch length or height wise by 6-inch in width grid. I've broken this down into 9 different squares, each square being 2 inches. And this is something that can be utilized, whether you're a beginner, intermediate level, or maybe even advanced level, depending on the complexity of the drawing that you're, going to be doing. Whenever I, in particular, like to utilize this type of grid system, what I generally like to do is, let's say, for example, if I'm working in this center square here, what I'll do is I like to cover up as many of the other or outside squares that I'm not working on, so that my drawing hand or even my eyes don't get too excited to jump out of that square and start working on some other area for the drawing. So the goal is one square at a time, work on one square at a time. When you finish that square, move on to the next until you complete all the different squares. So it takes a little bit more discipline. It can be a little bit more challenging, yes, and more patience. But I would recommend for beginners to, get into the practice of maybe using this as much as you can, and then jump out of it, move on to doing more fully freehand type drawings until you kind of like build your confidence up utilizing the grid. That way you don't get too frustrated about your alignments or your precision, or how things turn out much better utilizing the grid. I know a lot of beginner drawings get a little frustrated when they're doing, especially portrait drawings, when they're doing those type of drawings and things or lines turn out a bit crooked. But, utilizing something like this can definitely help you out in that area. So again, this is a quick introductory video to the grid system. I hope you all do like this video, and we'll tune into my next video where we'll actually get into more of the drawing itself. Again, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Turn on those post notifications so that you're notified when I post new videos. And until my next one, take care everybody.